As you see from the title, I want to talk about TRON's perpetual DEX and why you should go and invest, look at the data, why you should be an early user of the DEX, and we're gonna go and see all of that. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and we jump straight onto the laptop. Now, this one is their UI, this is their dashboard, and they also have already a token, which it is the Sun token, which I do have a long on. They already have an airdrop confirmed, but why would you be able, or why should you go and pick this one instead of, for example, Pacifica, which we do talk about it a lot? And yes, I do trade on Pacifica. If you want to go and join them, I will leave you the Pacifica link down below, as well as the Aster Season 3, which is going to have about a 5% airdrop allocation, again, to the link down below. So go and join whichever you want, or if you want to separate, you got $1,000, put 300 each, and you are good to go. Just remember that on Pacific, as we see here, for the volume, you need 10,000 daily volume a day to earn the daily points. So make sure to go and do volume on that. But SunPerp, why? Well, as we see here, the token is easy. They don't have much volume. Like, we're still at the very early stage. The token is 45 million 24-hour volume in the daily, as we see here. Editing the video now, but I do want to tell you that I do have a Telegram community over here to come and join me. It is free to go and join. The link will be down below. And as you see, we do post all the technical analysis of everything Solana, Link, AVAX, Ethereum, XRP, Doge, etc. So come and join. The link is down below, free to join. We are nearly at 300 members, so super nice. So yeah, come and join. So the gross trading volume, but let's look at the things. TRON's DAO is the number 10, and I will leave you the Sun link down below, so make sure to go and join, as it is still in a closed beta, by the way, where I believe day 12 of a closed beta. We have a number 10 DAO TRON over here. TRON is the official supporter and holder and backer of this one. It's just like Binance with Aster. This one, SunPerp, is TRON's perpetual DEX. And just to take a look, for example, here on SunPerp, this is their pages. They have a very active page. Absolutely, yes. They only got 14,000 followers. And as we see here, Justin Sun backs it on a regular basis. Like, also the CEO of TRON says that he is backing it. They have it on their bio as well. The decentralized, first top tier decentralized perpetual exchange on TRON. So everything is aligned. But the juicy thing about it, being early now, well, we have a multi-billionaire Asian founder behind it. So Asia is going to be a massive road of expansion for them, and there's a lot of money to be made. TRON DAO is backing behind them fully 100%, so that's another $32 billion market cap evaluation that TRON has, that can become, just like Aster is for Binance perpetual trading, this one can become for TRON. If we look at the stats, yes, if you go to the perpetual page over on DeFi Llama, for example, we don't find it on the top 10. Actually, we do find it right here at spot 34. We only have a 64.8 million perpetual volume a day. Like, we are still, as I said, in a super close beta compared to what, for example, Pacifica is right here at a 1.1 billion on a 24-hour data. So yes, theoretically now, Pacifica, the token looks way better, and I do farm way more Pacifica, as we see here with the point, with the trading volume and the open trades, than Sun. Sun, I have a position open, I have a lengthy position open. I had this one for, there is no trading fees on SunPerp, no trading fees at all. This position has been open for a very long time, by the way, and I still hold it there. But as we see here, we are at rank 34. So we are still super early. Still need to cross 100 million in 24-hour volume, which is absolutely mental. By the time they start going with the marketing and everything, I am sure we're able to go and see it over here at the top 10 spots with about $500 million to $1 billion trading volume per day. And that is why I have it right here. They also have welcome gifts that other perpetual exchange don't have. For example, X amount of token for all of you. So that's another incentivized to go and join. They do not have fees when you go and stake. And the most important thing is that they are backed by a $32 billion project. They still have a super long way to go to the top, so you are very in early. Just think about if you bought Aster at the 15-cent mark, same as that one, and you can already long and short the token itself, which I personally long right here. And this one has so much room to grow. But if you go and look at the data, close up the data, Let's look at the daily volume. So here we started spiking all the way up to 70 million, and then we kept a consistent thing. But let's look at the weekly. The weekly doesn't show much in a way that we had a spike and we are growing over here on a weekly basis, 60 to 12, $64 million in a day. We are gonna go and surpass the weekly before. But if we look at the month, here is what's interesting. The month of September, we had 891 million in trading volume. As of right now, this video is recorded on October 7th, so 7 days onto October. The perpetual trading volume, without counting October 7th, because still needs to finish, so the first 6 days, it's already 400 million. So you only need another 6 more days, so half a month, to equate the September volume. This means that we're having a 100% month-to-month growth in terms of users, in terms of volumes, and in terms of everything of the growth. So in 6 days, it's already made half of the monthly trading volume of the months before. It means that it's growing fast. And now, as we see here on the monthly, we're about 1 billion. This month, we will reach 1 billion for sure. And it is just a matter of time since we will go and escalate through everybody. So at the current time, if you would have, let's say, $1,000 to go and trade, use perpetual DEX, where would you put it? Well, I would put 500, the same way that I did over here on SunPerp. Open a long and leave it there. Try not to use margin. Low, as we see here, low leverage, use margins, and get some trading going. You don't have to do it with their token. You can do it on BTC as well over here, which they do have a 38 Bitcoin volume per day. By the way, it reflects also the price over there. We do have Ethereum, the price of every other. So as we see here, 1,000 Ethereum in volume. So you can do it on any token that you want. Like there is at least Aster as well, and Pump, Sun, and all of them, TRX, the token as well. So completely up to you which one you want to go and do it. And I would put the other half on Pacifica. Aster, would I consider trading it? Yes. 2 options why I would also go with Aster as well as Sun and Pacifica. But in terms of the most possibilities that you got in the long run to make more money, definitely the SunPerp exchange, because as we said, they have a very little volume and you can rarely do some points. They're gonna have the point program, they're gonna have an airdrop already confirmed, 30% airdrop, so it's absolutely amazing. And we are still early, so you get more points by less trading right now. You also get, as we see here, from Pacifica. Pacifica would be definitely another one to go and put the money. And if you are already trading, keep on trading with Aster, because they have another 20% of their total token allocation allocated just for the airdrop. So yes, I would consider you and I would suggest you to go and trade. My take here on SunPerp is that I did have one position open only, and I do it through time. Eventually I will go and open even more, but as of right now, if everything goes down, then yes, I will open a little bit over here. But I do think that actually Pacific airdrop is gonna come sooner than the Sun airdrop. So once the Pacific airdrop is done, I will move my focus to SunPerp, because this one is probably gonna take a little while before they keep on going. They're not gonna have an airdrop if they have 64 million in trading volume. They will potentially have an airdrop when they reach the 1 to 2 billion. So that's when everybody's gonna hype up. And that's why you need to go and trade right now, in my opinion. So make sure to do of this as you wish of this information. I just wanted to let you know that the TRON's Perpetual Decentralized Exchange is officially live. It's backed by Justin Sun. It's the official trading experience and the official TRON backed Perpetual Decentralized Exchange. So in my opinion, go and grab it, go and use it, trade over there. You can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Ethereum, you can trade anything that you want. But with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao guys.